Gentlemen, we're late. We gotta get up. We also need to make sure that we have enough time to do what we need to do, which is why today I thought I'd do something a little bit special. I would like to go over some of the tips and tricks that I have found to get ready quicker and still look and feel amazing. All of the hacks that I'm gonna go over and show you are things that I do to save time where I can save time in order to have time to do what I need to do, like shower, because that's one of the frustrating things. You see all these quick morning routines and they're like, oh, get ready in 5 minutes. Crazy, quick, 5-minute morning routine, right? And then you skip a freaking shower, and I don't feel fresh and sexy if I don't shower. And so today, guys, I'm going to show you the things that I have done in order to streamline my morning routine. The first thing every morning I need is coffee. The single pod coffee maker honestly has been a huge game changer for me. Now, the downside to these is that each cup is going to cost a little bit more, right? All these little pods are a little bit expensive. But if you're somebody that values time and efficiency, these things are incredible because they make them quick, they make them fresh. The other cool thing and hack that you can actually do is instead of using a mug, if you like to take coffee to go, you can actually make it in your to-go cup. And so when it's finished, you're ready to either A, drink it, or B, get out the door with coffee. And with the extra time, you can actually use it to pet your cat. This is Piglet. Say hey, Piglet. The second hack, which is cold showers. Gentlemen, cold showers are not only amazing for getting the juices flowing early in the morning, it's also amazing for your body. They also are going to help you shower faster. There are all sorts of amazing health benefits to taking cold showers, but the one that I found for me is that I shower faster. I get it done quicker because in the evening I like to take warm showers, right? It relaxes me, it's nice, but the truth is when you're in a cold shower, you want to get out as fast as possible, and so it's going to help you speed things up. Another thing that I'd like to talk about is efficiency, right? There are certain methods that are going to allow you to basically shampoo, wash, shower your body, and shave faster. The first thing I do when I get into the shower is actually apply my shampoo. And then I'm going to wash and scrub my body, all right? If you're not using some type of like loofah or exfoliating tool, gentlemen, you're totally missing out. The whole idea is that this thing is gonna help you get cleaner. It's also gonna scrub all the dead, nasty skin cells away. And then, gentlemen, is your face, all right? Get your T. Shanley or whatever face wash you're using, and then wash your face, all right? All over, you're using your hands, your fingers, the scrub, in your chin, in your beard, don't forget your neck. And then, before you rinse, shave. Gentlemen, the shower is the perfect time to actually combine a few tasks, and shaving is one of those tasks, all right? You're gonna just use the wash. It's an incredible shave cream. It's quick, it's easy, it's gonna save you time, and you're done. 2 minutes, that's it. The next hack, gentlemen, is all about how to style your hair quicker, and that is upgrade your hair dryer. Guys, one of the big mistakes that a lot of guys make is that they think that styling your hair and drying your hair is gonna take a lot of time. Now, it can, but it also can be done a lot faster if you actually upgrade your hair dryer to a higher quality hair dryer, right? This is the Laifen Swift. It's a hair dryer that I recently got a few months ago. This has literally been a game changer in terms of my hair. And the Swift is also literally a fraction of the price of other ionic hair dryers like the Dyson. Guys, the Dyson, honestly, in my opinion, is a great hair dryer, but it's overpriced and it's overrated. All right, once I actually got the Swift for a fraction of the price, and right now for a limited time, guys, they've got a crazy $80 off deal down in the description. You're literally never gonna find a better deal. $80 off. It literally is a huge no-brainer because if you're using a cheap-ass hair dryer, guys, it's not only not working as well as this, it's not gonna be healthy for your hair, all right? This not only has thermo controls, because check it out, right? Look at that. See that red, right? Boom. Press it once. Now it's cool, it's blue, warm, hot, and then if you hold that button, guys, it actually will cycle through the different temperatures, right? It also has different speeds. This thing is amazing. It's 110 RPM. It's a brushless motor. It's all about the technology, guys. It's like negative ionic, like amazingness. I'm not gonna go into all the details, but bottom line is this. If you're looking to upgrade the speed, not to mention the health of your hair, you've gotta grab one of these. I'm telling you, it is noticeably different. Your hair is gonna dry literally in a third of the time it's gonna take with a standard hair dryer. It's also, like I said, a fraction of the price of this hair dryer. Guys, if you want to check this out or grab one for this insane deal, they're giving you $80 off. There are two different options. You can get just the Laifen Swift, or what I personally would recommend for this price is grab the special that comes with the additional attachments, right? They're magnetic, they just pop right off, right? Check it out, boom, right on. I'm telling you guys, this hair dryer is amazing, and now I'm gonna show you how quickly I style it. Seriously, start the clock, all right? I'm gonna use a little sea salt spray, and then I'm gonna come in with a high hold, low shine product, right? Little bit, boom, emulsify, and then run it through my hair. Work it in all the way down to the roots, and then grab a comb, brush it into place, and then grab my Swift. I'm going high heat. Boom, that's it, literally 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna come in with a little more product just to lock it into place, right there, and finish it off. Literally, right? What? 30 seconds is all it took. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, if you don't have one of these hair dryers, you need one. If you've got hair, you need one. These prices are not gonna last. They've got a limited supply. They are gonna sell out. They got a bunch of sexy colors. I went with white, but they got black, they got like gray. Guys, down in the description, there are 2 different links depending on whether or not you want the basic model or you want the special. I personally would recommend the special that comes with the additional attachments because honestly, this deal is not gonna last and it gives you an insane discount. I'm telling you, $80 off and already like crazy price is absolutely insane, but they're not gonna last. Like I said, they got sexy colors. If you wanna grab one, guys, hit the link, do not wait, because these hair dryers are the best. You're gonna dry quicker, it's gonna look better, and it's also gonna be healthier. Guys, if you love your hair, you're gonna love this product. But now it's time to get dressed. The next hack, gentlemen, cuts out the time and the energy of you looking at your wardrobe and being like, what should I wear? What did I wear last week? I don't remember, and I'm tired, and I don't wanna. Gentlemen, stop the madness. Pick out your outfit the night before. Lay it out. You can try it on. That's one of the beautiful things. Guys, one of the big mistakes that guys make is that they wait until the morning, right? And they start looking. And what do? You gravitate towards the same thing you normally wear because time is of the essence. But by choosing your outfit the night before, it basically takes all of the rush out of it. It also allows you to look through your wardrobe. Maybe you want to try it on. See if everything's good. If you need to iron something, it gives you time to iron it. Or send a selfie of you in that outfit to Brenda and be like, yo girl, what do you think, right? Now, the other thing you need to understand is that if you expect to operate your wardrobe efficiently, you got to make sure you don't have a bunch of chaos and clutter. And that's another just pro tip, all right? One of the big mistakes that guys make is that they'll keep clothing that they don't like, they don't wear for way too long. Only have items in your wardrobe that you wear, that you know look good, that fit well. Now, I got to get dressed. Right there. Boom. Clean, classic, sexy. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is actually your diet. Preparing your lunch the night before is one of the best things that you can do if you're looking to save time and still eat healthy. I've often talked about the fact that prior planning prevents poor diet performance. If you're somebody that wants to make sure that you're on your diet, you're not going crazy when you go to lunch because you're starving, it's critical for you to bring your lunch, in my opinion, which is why I'm such a huge fan of meal services, but also meal prepping. Preparing your meals in advance, guys, is one of the best things you can do to save time, but also always know that you're gonna have something healthy to grab, all right? This is basically my week's worth of food, right? It's chicken breast, it's steak, it's grilled bison burgers, more bison burgers, right? Basically, once a week, I will spend a little bit of time and grill a bunch of meat. And then I'll also make some type of carbohydrate, all right? This is actually curled barley. Basically, I've got everything I need here to make healthy meals. And then I'll also possibly have an apple, maybe a protein bar. I'll toss it in my bag and I'll prepare it the night before. So that in the morning, instead of me having to spend time making everything, right? Boom, it's ready, it's in the fridge, bang, I'm out the door. But not before I grab my pre-packed gym bag. Pre-packing and preparing your gym bag the night before has been a huge game changer for me, right? It's gonna save me time and energy in the morning, rushing around, right? I don't have to think about it because inevitably, if I rush, I'm gonna A, forget it, or B, forget socks. The other thing I just wanna talk about real quick is going to bed at a decent hour. And this is the next thing I just wanna talk about, all right? If you are somebody that is going to bed late or you're staying up past your bedtime and you're struggling to get up early, guys, guys, there's no way you're going to be as productive. There's no way you're going to be as well rested and kick as much ass. Getting up early, every morning routine talks about it, right? Whether or not it's 5 a.m. or 6 a.m., it really doesn't matter. It's about reverse engineering your morning to make sure that you have enough time to do what you need to do. Whether or not it's petting your cat, meditating, reading a book, preparing for your day, drinking coffee, working out, exercising, going for a jog, it doesn't matter. But you know that you need 7 or 8 hours of sleep. And so setting a bedtime and not staying up too late because you are not missing anything is one of the best things you can do to have a more efficient and effective morning. Gentlemen, get to sleep because your morning depends on it.